Before going a special section, as I mentioned before, under Find and Replace on the More, you could find based on a specific format such as font color, underline, paragraph, styles, tab, language, etc. But I want to mention you don't have to recognize a specific something like the format, and there is much actually easier and faster way. You could simply select part of your specific format text, make sure you're on the Home tab. As I mentioned before, under Select, we have select all text with a similar formatting. So I could choose that. You see, everything immediately selected. Now I could go to the Replace by pressing Ctrl or Command H, and I could click on Replace with, let's say Format, Font, the regular one, maybe automatic, and let's say no underline, no strike through, and regular text. Okay, and then easily you could start replacing. But as you see here, because I didn't specify any format, that's not gonna work in this case. So we have to use some generic specific characters. For example, I want to replace every character with the specific selected here. In this case, we could use special. Special use two modes, regular one here, or we could enable wildcards, which I will mention in a minute. Just on the special, let me say any character, or we could combine any digit and letter. I say any character, and then it starts replacing all. And there it is, you see? 237 character has been changed based on our selection. Yes, and okay, doesn't matter. We don't need to research. And there it is. I easily replace everything with regular format. So you could combine by using the specific format selection and then start replacing.